Hello guys, I've got the Razer Kaira Pro. These are the new Razer headset for PlayStation 5, PS4 and PC, and you can use it on your mobile as well from Bluetooth. So, sorry about my throat. So, the new thing with these headset, as you can see, my light is a bit flickering, let me fix it. Okay, what's new with these, as you can see, it looks like the PlayStation 5 theme, white and black, but it's got RGB as well, which is a nice little extra add-on. So with these are new because they got haptics as well, so the headset actually vibrates a bit and tries fitting with the sound, which is amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to try them out because that's something new. So I want to see what it's like on the head and see what it sounds like. These are the new Triforce drivers as well, so they're going to be very good as well, 50mm. So I can't wait and see how the Bluetooth connectivity and everything is as well. So there you go, the advanced haptics, and shows you what's inside the box as well. So these are the Pro versions. They've got the wired ones, which I think are standard, no haptics. And you got the other versions as well, so depends on the price. I've got £100 one, £200 ones, which are the Pro, and you got the wired one as well. But here's the RGB here, but there's the haptics. So let's get straight into it. Okay. So, okay, the headset's shown first. It's actually quite alright. We'll get in there. We'll have a look at the headset in a minute. Let's just have a look in here first. That's the dongle. Quite a little nice dongle that is, Razer. Okay, just put that there. Can I take this off? Quite stiff to take off. What is this? No, this looks like a dongle extender, I think. Yeah. Another one. Oh yeah, that's if you want to plug it in with USB. That's alright. To PC or PlayStation. The mic. So yeah, I can't wait to test them out. I'll have to test them out in a minute. But I think that's it. Actually, wait, can I take this out? Let's have a look. There we go. Some instructions and that. That's about it really. Yeah, nothing else. So these are the headset. Looking quite nice as well. I mean, for the price point, you can feel the quality, which is good. It's quite soft here. Feels like microfiber and synthetic leather. Blue inside. It's quite nice. You see all the little dots, like from the plastic and the texture on it. It's just like the PS5 one as well, which is nice. You can extend that, close it. Razer. Okay, let's see here. So this is if you want to mute the mic, put it back on, volume, power, type C, which is good, and 3.5 jack for the mic. And now that's the button if you want to swap it to Bluetooth or just the normal connectivity on that. And this one I'm not fully sure, must be for the haptics, these ones, I'm not sure, but I'll find out. So let's go and plug this in. Wait a minute, let's see, that's the left side. So okay, just like that. There you go, look at that. It's a nice looking headset. Oh, I just pressed that button and I felt a vibration. Oh yeah, again, let's hold it. Oh yeah, it says power on as well. There's the RGB. I mean, I've got to say, these are nice headset. What I'll do, I'll try them and see if they're worth it. Yeah, so I've tested the headphones. The mic's actually not that bad. When I was playing online, my friends could hear me. So actually not bad. But what I've got to say is, wow, the haptic on a headset is so different, man. You can feel the vibration, everything. I mean, I need to get used to it. I mean, first time when you try, you're going to be like, oh, this is a bit too much. I mean, but here you can control the how much power is producing the vibration. So you put soft, medium, and high. But wow, I gotta say, it's amazing, and the sound quality is awesome, especially the bass. The highs are okay, the lows are fine. I gotta say, it's proper crystal clear, crisp, everything. But you know what the selling point on here, the unique selling point, is the haptics. I mean, these are amazing. You guys need to try these. I'm shocked myself. So need to play a bit more games, but these are a big win from Razer, from just because of the haptics and their sound quality, mainly of course, but the haptics, wow. So yeah, these are going to be, let's say, I'm thinking now, yeah, I think these are going to be my official PlayStation 5 headset. These are what I'll be using. I mean, I've tried the PlayStation 5 headset. Yeah, it's not that bad. I think it's a bit quiet, but bloody hell, these kill it. You guys have to check it. But remember, there's all different models as well. So there's a non-pro version, which is still good, which has all the same sound quality and everything. It just doesn't have haptics. But I mean, if you want them extra, like little extras like the PlayStation 5 control, the haptics, I would say, if you're willing to spend a lot of money, go for them. I mean, wow, I'm really serious. The haptics are crazy. Let me put a song. Let me see if you can see it vibrating or hear it vibrating. So I put something louder and already and bassy. Here goes. I just need to put the sound up. Can you hear the vibration? It's quite hard, but let's try to put it on a different surface. It's quite hard, but you actually can see it vibrating. But yeah, so overall these headsets are very good. I mean, if you're willing to spend the money, go for them 100%, especially for the premium feel and sound, especially with these haptics. Amazing. There's the dongle plugged in the Type-C, quite neat as well. But yeah, I can't go wrong with them. The rating I'll give it is 9.5 out of 10, definitely. The only reason why I didn't give it 10 out of 10, these are quite, the jog dials are quite loose, and in my opinion, a little bit loose here. And I would say maybe that's it, and just a little bit of the mic as well, but that's about it really. It's minor stuff, and maybe the price as well is a bit too much, but it's a premium headset. But yeah, definitely 9.5 out of 10. But yeah, that's my review. Yeah, hope you guys like it, and like and subscribe. More videos hopefully coming soon. But yeah.